Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to y'all about the BiC Round Stic Xtra Life 144 count pen set. Yeah, I mean I've basically I buy a lot of pens for the studio that I work. Like a lot of the office supplies I kind of bought in the last round, and these are the ones that I decided to buy. It's basically just to like keep notes on things, you know, if we have clients or whatever. Write down stuff that they want, just keep things in order, keep track of things, whatever. Just have a, you know, nice box of pens around. And, you know, they're really, really nice. They're really inexpensive, which is the best part. See the reason, unless you're like really into like the ink pens, the inkwell, like the classic style pens, you know, then these are really solid. They're really easy, really lightweight, which is great. I mean, this whole box, I mean, geez, I don't even know if like it maybe weighs like a pound, maybe. This is 144 of these pens, and yeah, I use these throughout college as well. I just really like them overall. I think for BiC, I've always trusted them as a pen company. You know, they make some of the best ball pen points in the world. And yeah, I'll kind of break one of these out and kind of show you a little bit of what these do. So yeah, basically each it comes with 144 of these pens. They have these little plastic caps on top, which is cool. Them has their own. They're a little hard to get off. There we go. Each one comes with a plastic cap. The writing on these is very, very comfortable. I like. It's very, I don't know. It's almost like rubberized. It's like a plastic and rubber material that's on the outside. Gives the pens definitely a bit more flex than your typical, maybe like hard plastic pens, which is cool. They're really nice and round. I think the reason that I really like these throughout college is because some pens I would realize would hurt for a while after I was writing with them, especially if you're, you know, writing long essays during like testing or whatever, and you need a solid pen that's not going to get your hand in like a cramp or anything. These are really cool for that. And they're also lightweight again, so you can carry around really a ton of these, and you know, you won't be, you know, adding any weight. Because you're already carrying around heavy backpacks, especially again, like if you're in college, you're carrying around heavy backpacks and stuff. So it's nice to be able to have something that's, you know, a little bit more lightweight, especially if you're carrying it around a lot. So I'm going to kind of show you just how it writes really quick. I have this little grab something over here. There we go. So give you a little outline. This is right out. This is a fresh one. I haven't used it or anything yet, so check it out. Yeah, my signature there. It's really, really clean, really nice, feels really, really smooth on the paper, very consistent throughout your writing. Something I've noticed about these pens is that they spread the ink really smoothly. And there's just something great about writing with a solid pen, you know, if, you know, it gives you a solid pen. It gives you something really just kind of nice. It just feels nice. They aren't incredibly fine, you know, which gives you that really kind of like chicken scratch style writing, but they're not super wide either, so you can actually, you know, write in detail. I would say definitely in terms of like fineness, they're probably at a medium. So, you know, again, not too high, not too low. One other cool thing that I like about these pens is even though they are pretty dark in terms of the body, they are a little translucent, so you can see how much ink is in the well of your pen too. So you can see when it's pretty much almost running out. You know, just a nice little additional thing. And then lastly, on the cap, of course, you have your little latch piece here. And this is basically so, you know, you can keep it kind of nice and secure on your binder or a book or whatever. Yeah, all in all, I would highly recommend these if you're looking to, you know, get some cheap pens for the office, for school, whatever. But you want something that's also, you know, good and feels nice to write with, which for me is very important. I would highly recommend these. Again, they are the BiC Round Stic Xtra Life 144 count, and you can also buy them in different sets as well. you know, 60, 80, whatever, if you don't need this many. Alrighty guys, yeah, take it easy. Have fun writing. Alright.